Good morning, class. In the previous lecture, we discussed mean. Mean when like we have a question, find the mean of first five prime numbers. So, what are the first five prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Prime numbers mean those numbers which don't have any other factor than 1 and number itself. So we have to find the mean of these five numbers. You already know what is the formula for mean is sum of all observations upon total number of observations. So mean is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 upon total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 11 28 upon 5. Solving it, what will you get? Divide it. You will get 5.6. So 5.6 is your mean. Coming to another question, find the mean of first 6 multiples of 5. Means we have to find the mean of first 6 multiples of 5 means 5, table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. We have to find the mean of these. Mean is equal to sum of all observations 5 plus 10 plus 15, 20, 25 plus 30 upon 6. Add them. 5 plus 10 15, 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 25 75, 75 plus 30 gives you 105 divided by 6. 105 divided by 6, do it fast. It gives you 17.5. So this was the mean that we have discussed earlier, and this we call as mean of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, or we can say raw data. Today we are going to discuss the mean for grouped data. Grouped data means the data that we have in the form of table. I have taken question number 11 from your exercise. The first exercise, the following table shows the weight of 15 workers in a factory. Weight is given 60. 60 weight is how many workers? 4 workers. 5 workers are having 63. 3 workers are having 63. 1 worker is having 72 and 2 workers are having 75. So this information is given to us and we have to calculate the mean out of it. So this weight is denoted as Xi. This is 60 and number of worker is denoted as Fi. Fi means frequency. Now how many workers are having weight 64? And the next column is Fi Xi. Fi Xi means Fi multiply Xi. Fi is 4 into 60 comes out to be 240. Next is 63 weight. How many workers? 5 workers. Fi Xi, multiply them. You will get 315. Now we have 66 weight. How many workers? 3 workers. Multiply. Comes out to be 198. Then we have 72 weight. 1 worker comes out to be 72. Then we have 75 weight. How many workers? 2 workers. Gives you 150. So this is Xi, the number of workers, number of students, any number that specify how many are the things, means frequency is Fi. So in this way mean is given by summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. What does this summation mean? Summation means sum of all these. Sum of all Fi Xi means you have to total them. Add them, what will you get? Tell me. After adding you will get 975. And here summation fi means sum of all these. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 2 15. Now put the values. 975 upon summation fi is 15. So what will be the answer? Answer is 65. So this 65 is the mean in this case, means in the form of grouped data. This is how you are going to calculate the mean. Let's take one more example. We have question number 12 of your exercise. What they are giving? The daily wages. Daily wages means the daily earning of the workers. Daily wages mean xi. 240. How many workers? 14. Fixi calculate, gives you 3360. 300 wages, how many workers? 16 workers, gives you 4800. Next is 320. How many? 15. Calculate 320 into 15, gives you again 4800. Now we have 360. How many workers? 7 workers. 360 multiply 7 gives you 2520. Then we have 380. How many workers? 8 workers. 380 into 8 gives you 3040. Mean is given by summation fixi upon summation fi. Means you have to add these and these. 14, 16, 30, 30, 15, 45, 45 plus 7, 52, 52 plus 8, 60. Here what we have? Let's add them. 3360 plus 4800 plus 4800 plus 2520 plus 3040. What we got? 18,520 divided by 60. 0 cancel this 0 and divide. Divided, let's see what is the answer. You will get 308.6. So this is your answer for this question number 12. Now we are going to discuss question number 15. Read question number 15 from your exercise. Question number 15, read. What does question number 15 says? The height of students of a class is given to you. Now you have to find the mean height. Height is given 165, number of students 9. Multiply them. This is equal to 1485. Height is 170, number of student is 8. Multiply. Gives you 1360. Height is 175, number of students 11. Multiply it. 175 multiply 11 gives you 1925. Number of students is 180. Multiply by 12 gives you 2160. Mean summation fixi upon summation fi. Add them. Let's see what is the mean. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 11, 28. 28 plus 12, 40. Here what we will get? 1485 plus 1360 plus 1925 plus 2160. What you will get? 6930. So 6930 divided by 40. What you will get? 173.25. So this is your answer. That's all for the day. You have to complete the first exercise. So homework will be the first exercise, means 21A of your book.